Hi everyone, my name is Alexis Adkins and this is my interpersonal video communication assignment for Clark State. I'm going to talk about a lot of terms such as personality, the halo effect, family of origin and family of procreation, and the interactive context from the interpersonal communication textbook. The first term is personality, and all of these pictures very much so define my personality. Personality is the way you act and the way that you are characterized, and I'm a very outgoing person. The middle picture is from when the Harlem Shake was a big thing, so that's how we dressed up to do our Harlem Shake. The next term is self-fulfilling prophecy, and what that is when a person or an outside factor gives you that motivation to really accomplish your goals and get something done. So this picture is the day that my daughter was born, and she is my biggest motivation to, whether it's go back to school or to get that job or get the things that we really need at the house. Onomatopoeia is a word that's associated with the sound. So pow, bam, things that are all in different comic books, such as Batman. So I used to be very obsessed with Batman, so I included a picture of my senior picture in my Batgirl costume. Immediacy behavior is a nonverbal form of communication that shows your attraction or your affiliation. So the picture on the left, you can see how much I'm attracted to my fiance and that I love him. And the one on the right, you can see how much my daughter loves her dad, even though he's staring at the TV. An affect display is a gesture that shows emotion. So I'm laughing, and you can tell I'm having fun at my first concert. In the picture on the top right, I'm kissing my boyfriend, and you can tell that I'm in love with him. The picture on the left, you can see how happy my daughter is by her smiling. A halo effect is when you are physically attracted to somebody, so you tend to give them positive attributes, such as Christian Grey from 50 Shades of Grey. He's very attractive and wealthy, so women let him do pretty much whatever they want. That way they could be with him even though he falls in love with someone else. My computer's dying. Happiness is when you're joyful and very just content with everything going on in your life. So the middle picture is of my granny and papa when they got to see my daughter for the first time. You can see how happy they are, and you can see how happy she is playing with the water in her bathtub. Extroversion is when you are very sociable and outgoing. So the two pictures on the left are when I was the president of Skills USA. The top is our local team, and the bottom was the Northwest regional team. And the pictures on the right just show how outgoing I've been. A bonding stage is when you publicly show your affiliation with someone else. So I screenshotted the engagement status on both me and my fiance's Facebook. Monogamy is when you're in one relationship with one person. So I took a picture of the first Christmas we were together, second Christmas we were together, and we were working on the third. So that was about a week ago. Family of origin is the family that you grew up with and that raised you. So that's my mom and my brother, along with my grandparents. Family of procreation is the family that you create as an adult. So as of right now, that is my fiance Dylan and our daughter Jolene. Compromise is when both sides of a party do some give and take to achieve a goal. So I don't like Jolene to play with bottles. She likes bottles. I wanted her to crawl. So we compromised and she crawled for the first time. An interactive context is when you are able to communicate and interact with somebody, whether it's hearing them or seeing them. So that's my mom and my daughter FaceTiming. So I went over a lot of different terms such as onomatopoeia and happiness, the bonding effect, and compromising. So if there are any questions or comments, please feel free to contact me. Thank you and have a great night.